alam mo, yung initiative bill, yan ay karapatan ng mamamayan. Now, yung sinasabi na kailangan dumaan muna sa House. Come on. The FOI bill that the Senate passed, there was also an initiative bill that was filed in the Senate. So they're just pointing fingers right now. Simple lang naman. Gusto ba ninyo o kwan? Ngayon, yung sinasabi ni Senator Bam, and I have a high respect for Senator Bam, na nagkakagulo, ako na lang magpa-file. Bakit ngayon lang? No? Why wait? No? You could have filed a bill yourself also when you met with the farmers last May.
If they will file a bill now, how long will it take?
Well, I would think na mahirapan na. We would like a law enacted because that is more stable than an executive order. Because an executive order, once a new president gets elected, can sign a new executive order just reversing what he did. So kung batas yan, mas solido yan. Kaya yun, kita mo yung galit ng...
But do you see this Kong being passed before the next administration?
I have a feeling it might not. You haven't heard anything from the administration, except maybe from the cabinet level, no? Secretary Kiko, Secretary Prosi, Secretary Joel Rocamora, with regard to the Coco Levy Fund. Pero from the president,
wala. Quiet.
It's been quiet.
Basta give them what's due to them.
May decision na yung Korte Suprema 2 years ago na yung 71 billion, dapat ipamahagi
wala
yan sa
na
mga...
yan.
Hindi, nandun pa rin.
when the Supreme Court makes a decision like this, is it merely like a suggestion for the president? So why doesn't he pick it up from where it left off?
There are a lot of issues. They're studying it.
So ika kung like reasons nila Senator Bam sa ni Senator Cynthia
independent yan. Remember, they can act on their own and enact the law.
But they're using mere technicalities not to implement it right away.
Well, not to enact the law.
Not to act the law at all.
What we want. There are two schools of thoughts here, no. My friends from the Makabayan Bloc wants the whole 71 billion distributed to all.
Evenly to all farmers.
Coconut farmers. One, how will you identify them? No?
Yeah.
And ang mahirap dito, syempre alam natin, bigyan ninyo ng pera yan, ubus kagad yan. Hindi yan makakatulong talaga sa industriya. So, ang essence ng trust fund, ang gagamitin lang ay yung interest.
Okay.
So, 71 billion, sabihin mo, any bank will accept that, you may get a good rate, sabihin mo at 5%. That's 3 billion or at least 4 billion every year that you can use for the industry.
So, at least, Kong, the principle stays intact.
Yes. Yes. So, you can use it for the industry. Yun ang pinaglalaban. And yun nga, remember, the coconut farmers are the poorest farmers in the whole country. No? Wala pa yatang sabi nung isang magsasaka sa isang buwan, swerte sila kung lalagpasan nila yung 300 pesos.
Which is sad, Kong, because we've seen a rise in exports of yung coconut water and other coconut products to other countries.
Yes.
And they sell it at a premium price.
And yung nakakalungkot nga dito, nakakaisang linggo na yung mga magsasaka dito, and yet
nothing's happening.
No, you haven't heard anything. No? Maswerte at nagpapasalamat yung mga magsasaka sa UNTV na talagang ang UNTV lang ang nakatutok sa issue. No? Yung mga ibang stasyon, wala.
Because they think kasi it's not juicy as the other issues.
Masarap ang buko juice. Masarap ang buko
and
juice.
Healthy also.
And healthy also.
Lipa, Tropicana, or fresh.